Heygen versus Creatify versus Synthesia, my final verdict. In this video, I'm going to share with you my final verdict for these three sites, Heygen versus Creatify and Synthesia. So to get started, Heygen lets you create realistic avatars, voice clones, and custom scripts perfect for business intros and client-facing content. Creatify is all about short form of vertical content with expressive avatars made for social platforms like TikTok and Reels. Meanwhile, Synthesia is the most established platform, focusing on training, onboarding, and multilingual videos for teams and enterprises. For polished videos for business, Heygen is great. For viral content, Creatify wins. But for enterprise level consistency, Synthesia takes the crown. These tools all generate avatar based content, but they're targeting different needs. Asian is sleek and personal, Creatify is fast and casual, and Synthesia is structured and professional. If you're creating engaging, brand aligned messages or product demos, Asian offers powerful customization with a human touch. But if you're trying to pump out short videos for your audience fast, Creatify's simplicity and speed are unmatched, while Synthesia's stable infrastructure make it the best option for large-scale companies that need localization, team collaboration, and repeatable templates.